Hello, dear viewers. I hope all of you are healthy, wealthy, and wise. Deutsch lernen means German learning. Dear viewers, as we know, every language has its own standard expression, whether that be Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, Persian, English, or German. You cannot get its exact meaning by simple translation. This is what we are going, or I should say, this is what we are going to try to learn today. One more thing, dear viewers, pronunciation, as you know, is very important. Though we may not change our accent, but now, without wasting your and my time, Kapitel acht. Dear viewers, unlike English Capital, capital, but here in German it is pronounced in a different way. Okay, so do not get confused that these are English words. Rather, the English. So Kapitel acht means chapter 8. So we'll discuss these 5 sentences. And okay, without wasting your and my time, es tut mir leid, I am sorry. I will read that. Please be very careful in German pronunciation. I will also try to read it out with care. Es tut mir leid. That da will be ta sound. Okay, I begin. I read again. Es tut mir leid. Okay, meaning is given there. That's for you. You can read. Second, we bitter. I repeat, we bitter. Third, danke für alles. I repeat, danke für alles. 4. Ich bin nicht sicher. Ich bin nicht sicher. 5. Bitte geben Sie mir das. Bitte geben Sie mir das. Okay. Now once again, I will read both the German and then English. Okay. First one is, es tut mir leid. It means I am sorry. We bitte, pardon. Danke für alles means thank you for everything. Ich bin nicht sicher. I'm not sure. Bitte geben Sie mir das. Please give me this or that. Okay. So having practiced this, let's move on to the next thing. Okay. So I have tried a bit that you be in habit of reading German. Okay. I have tried my best to make this. I have spent hours actually in planning that this may be suitable. Okay. Bitte lernen diesem Wörter. Okay. I repeat. Bitte lernen diesem Wörter. Okay. English meaning I have written there. Please learn these words. Okay. The words which we have used in the 5 sentences. Okay, so these are the words from there. English you will know that only that German I am reading here. First one is es. Second, mir, me, and there it was. Okay, I will read Leiden. That is Leiden. Leiden means to suffer. Tun, tune Tune means to do. Then W-I-E, we, it means how. B-I-T-T-E, bitter, please. Duncan, Duncan means to thank. Für means for. Sicher, Sicher means sure. Alles, all. Geben, to give. Ich, I. S-I-E-Z-U. B-I-N, bin, am. N-I-C-H-T, nicht, not. Okay. Now, imperative sentences. If you try, you can make small imperative sentences. You try, just try. Okay, like the last last sentence we had, the fifth sentence, bitte geben Sie mir das. Okay, bitte geben Sie mir das, please give me this or that. So I think you can try this imperative sentences. It's very easy. You have to use the base form of the verb. Okay, the pattern I have given there, bitte, please. Then you have to use the base form of the verb, and verb, the list of verb I have already given. Okay, base form of the verb plus you have to use Z, S-I-E-Z. Then mir plus thus, you may use it or you may not use it. Okay, the meaning I have already written. Okay, see, dear viewers, one thing I would like to tell you here, that in imperative sentences in English, when we speak imperative sentences in English, also we have a verb in the, generally that the subject is hidden. Okay, we speak with verb. Verb is the first word there in a sentence, like go there, come here, bring me a book. Okay, write a letter. So it also begins with verb. Same way in German also we begin imperative sentence with a verb. But unlike English, in English the subject is hidden, which is used just before the verb. But in German it is not that. In German it is that in imperative sentences you have verb as the first word. Okay, and then you have Z, means you. In English we have you plus verb, but in German we have verb plus you. Okay, I repeat, in English we have subject plus verb, but in German, in imperative sentences I am discussing, in German we have verb plus subject, you. Okay, so you will just try. I am showing you that again. Here, the last sentence you say, you see, bitte geben Sie mir das, please give me that. So try like that. Okay, bitte. So like here I have given two examples based on the above pattern. Okay, bitte lesen Sie, please read. Bitte lesen Sie das Buch, please read the book. Bitte heute lesen Sie das Buch, please read the book today. Now I have given a few verbs which I expect you to use in your imperative sentences. You can try to make imperative sentences with the following verbs. I will read them. Okay, geben, then geben, to give, lesen, to read, kommen, to come, setzen, to sit, machen, to do, sehen, to see, and then schreiben, to write. I repeat and then I'll go back again. Okay, geben, to give, lesen, to read, kommen, to come, setzen, to setzen, sir will be pronounced as the, setzen, to sit, machen, to do, sehen, to see, schreiben, to write. Now, imperative sentences, the form, the pattern I have given, you have to use bitte, means please. You want to use it, otherwise you use just the base form of the verb plus Z. Okay, verb plus subject. In English we use in English, in making imperative sentences, when we make imperative sentences in English, we use generally in imperative sentences, subject is hidden. Go there, come here, bring a glass of water, write a letter. Okay, but in German, uh, in English, like though it is hidden, but we may visualize that it is bring a glass of water means you bring a glass of water. Come here, it means you come here. Okay. Read your lesson, it means you read your lesson. Okay. uh, Write a letter means you write a letter. Okay. Pass me the salt, it means you pass me the salt. So though we do not use the word, but we assume that subject is there. Okay, subject is there when we speak imperative sentences, though it is hidden and we do not speak that is omitted, but it is there, subject is there, it is hidden but it is there. Okay, so we can say that in English, uh, while making imperative sentences we use subject plus verb. Okay, but in German it is different, it is verb plus subject. Okay, in English we have you bring, but in German it is bring you. Okay, bring you. Okay, when you read Elizabethan English or Old English you use before, even before Shakespeare, you read, then you will come to know how English has traveled all the way from German to Old English, and then from Old English to Middle English, and then from middle to modern, and we are making a lot of changes there. Okay, so but you will enjoy it. Okay, once you learn German, it won't be difficult to read Old English. Okay, so here in German we have bring you. Okay, go you, write you, or read you. Okay, I have given you two examples. Pattern I have already given here. So two examples I have given, three examples I have given. So I expect that they will be of help to you. Okay, so first one is bitte. See, bitte is please. If you want to use it, you use it. If you don't want to use it, it's difficult in framing the sentence, you can avoid that. Okay, so bitte lesen Sie. Okay, please read. Now I have added one more sentence, or one more word, sorry. Bitte lesen Sie das Buch. Please read the book. Now here one more word I have added. Bitte heute lesen Sie das Buch. Please read the book today. Okay, so I hope that you will try. Okay, you can try to make imperative sentences with the following verbs. I will read again. Okay, geben, to give, lesen, to read, kommen, to come, setzen, to sit, machen, to do, and sehen, to see, schreiben, to write. Okay, now the meanings. Bitte lernen diese Wörter, or please learn these words. Es means it. Mir means me. Leiden, to suffer. Tun, to do. So let us discuss. I have time, we can discuss this. See, in these sentences, es tut mir leid. So in German sentence, we do not find the meaning of I there. So that is what I said, that every language has its own expression. We cannot have, here in English we say it, I am sorry. But in German it is not that I am sorry. It is es tut mir leid. Es means it. Tut means does. So it does. Mir leid. So it does me suffering, or it hurts me. Okay, understand, no? In English we say, if we have hurt somebody, so we say I am sorry. But in German, the standard expression is that es tut mir leid means it does me suffering, or it hurts me. We say like that. So it has standard expression. We cannot simply translate it. Okay, that's why the meanings are given there. Okay, then wie bitte, pardon, danke, für alles, thank you for everything, Ich bin nicht sicher. I am not sure. Bitte geben Sie mir das. Please give me this or that. Dear viewers, I have spent hours preparing this lesson. I have put hours really preparing these lessons. So if you attempt making imperative sentences, that will be my reward. I hope you will do that. Thank you very much. God bless you all, and please keep praying for me.